Guys, it's our check-out time. 12 pa naman, but pupunta muna kaming MOA para kumain ng lunch. Tapos mag-check-in ulit kami sa isang hotel. Kasi may pupuntahan pa ako. May gusto pa akong puntahan. So, ayokong dalhin yung namin luggage o yung bag namin. So, kailangan namin mag-check-in ulit sa ibang hotel naman. Sino ba kasing gustong dalhin to? Nandun yung pool dito. Nandyan yung pool area. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming ni ate ko. May bayad kasi. Ata 200, 250 per head or per person yung swimming. Doon siya. Hindi rin nakapagdala ng pang-swimming si ate, kaya ayoko na lang. Ayoko mag-swimming mag-isa. Ang ganda na itong design. Dami naming gamit. Para kaming pupunta sa... Ang dami naming gamit. So, ayun. So, kailangan talaga namin mag-check-in ulit. Ayun si ate ko. Bumili siyang shampoo sa Alphamart. Kasi yung dala ko, kasi, conditioner. Di kasi ako nagsishampoo. Kaya, siya, kailangan niya daw mag-shampoo. So, bumili muna siya sa Alphamart. Katabi lang, malapit lang dito. So, yan, di ba? Nakita niyo naman, ang dami namin dala-dala. So, hindi kami pwedeng pumunta ng, hindi kami pwedeng pumunta sa museum na yan with all of this baggage. Kasi sasakay kami ng MRT ata o LRT. Nakaka-hassle yun. Wait lang, mag-book ako ng Grab. Mag-book na kahit? Mag-book akong Grab papuntang MOA. Kasi doon kami kakain ng lunch. Baby ko nasa taas, so may hawak na phone. Inat! Pick up ako Dairy Queen Blizzard. Kasi 2 PM pa yung check-in namin sa bagong hotel na pag-stay namin. Actually, hindi kami mag-stay doon. lalagay lang namin yung mga gamit namin. Tapos punta lang kami dun sa museum na gusto ko punta. Ang oil ng face ko. Tapos habang naghihintay, mag-order muna akong blizzard. Tinan mo ka. Dahil pili-pili pag mainit. Sabi ko, saan ka po? Kaya ma-focus. Kaya ma-focus lang. Diba ulit sa...
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long. She got me thinking life could be better.
beside me till the day's through. Ever since the day that I met you, I've been with you. Ever since the day that I met you. Ever since that day, ever since the day that I met you. If I knew when I met you, you would be my everything, baby, I would let you. If I knew when I met you, you would mean the world and everything I am into. Wouldn't trade it in an instant. Wasn't no coincidence, it's meant to be. I know you feel it, connected on another level. Spirits intertwined, write our own history, a step at a time. If I knew when I met you.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa ano, tapos na kami mag-picture. Bali, nandito na kami sa coffee shop. Itong ano, sa taas ng building. Gusto ko naman. Guys, maganda talaga siya pag sa TikTok na napanood. Pero pag nasa personal na, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan. Maganda rin naman siya, pero for me, para siyang na overhype. Para siyang overrated. Overrated ba? Underrated? Turns out
You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you save me. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me, butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff. Rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure, something when you pull me in. You make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know you'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight